I long for this to be perfect because I don't like things that aren't perfect, but I have a sinking feeling within me.
I probably won't speak to you because I'm going to be hyperfixated on doing this right.
And that's okay.
You take care. Good luck.
Yep, good night. Hi, I'm Annie.
Hello, I'm Liza,
And we're here today with Tastemade.
and we're going to be making some tiny banana splits.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so banana
What's
first.
this?
Oh, 2 bananas on the plate because it's a split. It is 2.
Of course. I would have put them underneath, so I'm glad we're watching them. Can you imagine having steady hands like that? I lust after steady hands.
I come from a long line of surgeons.
Is that true?
No.
Okay. And then the beautiful reveal at the end.
Oh, I'm sorry. I feel so big right now.
So before we start, how do you think you're gonna do? How do you think this is gonna go?
I'm a very small person, and I feel so big right now. I feel really empowered
Well,
right
how do you
now.
think I feel?
Your dainty little supple little fingers. You got this.
So sweet.
The Tonight Dough, brought to you by Jimmy Fallon and Ben and Harry.
I love it. I mean, it's loaded. They also have like the core, the brownie core. That's so delicious.
My favorite is also Ben & Jerry's.
Is it Ben & Jerry's?
It's,
Why'd you whisper it? You don't want to promote
I don't know
it?
if you're allowed. Ben & Jerry's, loud and proud, just cookie dough. Just
Ooh.
straight up Ben & Jerry's cookie dough.
Yeah, that's a good time.
I'm having a mild panic about just like scooping the ice cream. Let's try this. Let's just see how this
got
goes.
it.
I'm
You got
sorry.
it.
I'm sorry I freaked out.
No, I'll be here for emotional support. You can do this.
Oh no, it's so. Everything's going to be fine. Look at this. It's just not taking. I feel like it's something that in every like cartoon or TV show they say the cafeteria has, but real life cafeteria never has, which is like creamed spinach.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's
You know what I mean? Like it's something really gloppy that makes like a thwap, like a wet thwap.
How did you do this? How did you individually place?
I guess I'm done.
Wait.
I just tapped it with my finger and then I placed
Oh, so like conspiracy.
the sprinkles.
Oh my god, my moon in Virgo is pissing me off.
I would bring goldfish crackers,
Flavor blasted?
not flavor blasted, just
White cheddar?
and like bits of steak,
Just bits.
just like bits.
Slices?
Yeah, little
Or cubes?
maybe cubes.
Cubes?
And then like a nice mango cocktail of some sort. I'm realizing that there's so much of my mother in me. Like I need things to be correct or I'm just not happy with them. And mine couldn't be further from what I had envisioned for myself. Mom, you're not proud of me. I understand why. And I'm sorry. How are you doing?
I'm unwell. I totally was having a great time, and I was like, if someone comes over, I'll give them an extra sundae. And then I spilled my sprinkles all over the plate. Hold on, I can fix this. Just give me 1 second real quick.
Disappointment slop.
Our fridge broke. Our freezer's broken. The ice cream machine is broken.
Listen, you're overflowing. You gave Texas-sized portions, and I appreciate you for that. You gave Cheesecake Factory
And yours is, like,
portions.
elegant in European
Mine is
and
mostly plate like I get it in LA. You know what I mean?
You win. Texas
I think you
size
win.
disappointment slop.
No, you win. Bigger is better. Size matters. That's good.
Thank you.
That's good.
Thank you for this.
The movie's amazing. Sudden turn.
Ruby Gillman, Teenage Kraken, brought to you by DreamWorks, brought to you by our childhood and now our adulthood full circle.
And
It's a fantastic
This
movie.
is what ice cream would look like to Ruby Gillman
As a kraken.
as a giant kraken.
Yeah, I feel like a giant kraken right now.
I feel like a giant kraken.
And you too can get a Kraken on June 30th, only in
Theaters.
Nice. It's underneath my nail.
You know what?
I'm
I did
full.
a good job.
I'm full. Can I get this to go?